Alright, good day everybody. Today is, look at this, Wednesday already. Wednesday the 30th of May, just 2 days away from June, if you can believe that one. Let's take a look at IGT. IGT is the one that I pointed out yesterday, right? So what we were looking to do is we were looking to do something a little different, right? Closed down in here, started breaking down through that 200 day, right? We closed below it. So I said look to buy this market as it trades up, through the close of Tuesday. Tuesday's close was 25.64, so about 25.69, 70. Okay, that's where you'd be looking to buy because it's a $25, $26 stock. All right, so again, closed at 25.64, so you'd be looking to buy that at 25.69.70 area. Market opened up at 25.95 and then traded up through it. Let's take a look at an intraday chart to see how it traded up through that number of 25.69. Alright, so right now we're looking at a 3-minute chart, and this is where it opened. And on a 3-minute chart, this is where you'd be looking to buy, right? Let's take a look at here. 25.69. Actually, 25. Wait a second. So you know what? Hold on. What something wrong here. 25.60. So it opened up above. Hold on one second. All right. So I was mistaken. It opened up above and traded above where we were looking to enter. So again, look at this is where it closed. Right here is where it closed. 25.63, 64. We were looking to buy at 25.69 on a 5-cent penetration, and we opened up bunch higher. I don't know how I was missing it, but wasn't connecting the dots here. So we opened up higher. So that trade would have never been executed. Again, as I always state, I'd like to see the market trade up through it, and we were looking for the market to trade up through this level to move higher. Right, hindsight's always 20/20, so of course that was a big move up, but it did gap higher, and that violates one of my trading rules, so I don't do it, okay? So let's take a look at Baidu. Alright, Baidu still consolidating, so we're not looking to do anything here yet. Now what I would be looking to do is buy up through today's high, 243. So a penetration up to 244 is where I'd be looking to buy the call option. I'd go 2 months out. I'd go June, July. I'd actually do the August. And I'd probably, again, it's up to you. You can do out of the money, in the money, at the money. It's really up to you on how you want to play it, but I would go into the August expiration looking for a bigger move to the upside. So that would be my plan for Baidu. Alright, so that has already been violated. Take that out. Baidu, again, that's still on the watch list there. Let's take a look at Twitter. Twitter still slowly but surely moving higher. Been long this stock since the mid-16s. BABA, as you recall, this vertical line represents an area in which I told you to be looking to buy it because I thought the market's going to retest these highs. After that, market ran up a bit and it came right back down, tested these lows. Beautiful spot to look to enter. And then AVAV, again, this level between the two white horizontal lines represents the area in which I told you to buy. That was a great opportunity. Still moving higher. Let's see if we can break that little double top here. If we can, I think we maybe try to move up to that level. But again, it all depends on the health of the overall market. Let's take a look now at the overall market as we did yesterday. Look at the SPY, which is the S&P 500. We had a big update today, as you'll recall. What were we up about? 300. Let's see. We were at one point. Let's see. Up. Let's take a look. Okay, so we were up 306 points on the day. NASDAQ up 65. The S&P was up 34 points. That's a huge move. And again, 306 points on the Dow. So big, big up day. Let's take a look at the Russell. Look at this. Russell, again, broke all-time new record today, right? So as the Russell is making higher highs, all-time new highs, the S&P and the Dow is nowhere near it. Okay, and then let's take a look at the NQ, which is the NASDAQ. NASDAQ looks stronger than the Dow and the S&Ps, right? Whereas, again, the Dow and the S&Ps pretty much in a trading range, starting to coil up in here. Again, if you think the Russell, leads the overall market, and at times it does, sometimes it doesn't, then you would expect the overall market to continue moving higher to catch up with the Russell. Okay, let's take a look at gold. Gold's below that 200 moving average on a huge gap that we saw between the 14th of May and the 15th of May. So we'll see here. Crude oil, quite a pullback actually, in an overall huge uptrend. Really big move. So look at this. Let's just take a look at. So take a look. So this is big move. So crude futures. I mean, damn. You move from 43 and change to 70, 72, 73. So big move and a nice sharp move to the downside. As you all know, I like to look at that 2-bar RSI, which gives me real short-term movements in the market that works extremely well. Of course, if you're in a trending market, you're looking for that under 10 reading rather to look to enter back into the market. So first time you had that was this bar right in here, starting to move higher. So it'll be interesting to see if we can bounce. If you've got any questions, let me know. Take a look at Amazon, one of my holders here. One of my stocks I've been holding for quite a while, getting real close to that all-time high that was put in place on the 27th of April. That high of 1638. We're only about 14 points down from it. Nvidia also looking to approach the all-time highs. Again, two stocks I love. I love Google as well. I really think I'm a big tech guy here, looking for the tech market to continue moving higher, even though we're moving into the summer months. Twitter, Netflix. I mean, take a look at Netflix. All right, another one you should really look at is Boeing. I mean, Boeing's just been on an unbelievable tear, and for some reason I don't have a clue why this happens. Okay, so weekly chart. I mean, take a look at that run, folks. Just unbelievable. So 358 all-time high, 71 reaching those highs. Again, those are all markets. If you've got any questions, let me know, and I'll answer those for you. Have a great evening. Bye.